see right here, it is noiseless, it is peaceful, and it is safe. Welcome to the Milton Estate, located at Awoyaya along the Lekki-Epe Expressway. This estate is classy with a very beautiful design, and you can buy now, get allocated, and start construction almost immediately. Milton Estate is less than a minute's drive from the major expressway, and it is located right in between the very popular Chosharis Motors and the Greenspring School. The estate is tarred from the major road all through, and it is very close to the biggest ShopRite in Lagos, that is the very popular Novera Mall. This estate also shares very close proximity with major landmarks like the Coronal School, Omu Resort, the Mayfair Gardens, Lekki Lakes Golf Course, and lots more. Okay, so come, let's go see. As you can see, this estate is completely dry. Construction is ongoing, meaning you can buy now and start your construction immediately. The estate features lots of amenities including 24-hour security, good drainage system, potable water, good interlocked walkway, power supply, and lots more. The title on this property is a global COO, and there are serviced plot of lands here for sale. 500 square meters is going for 35 billion naira with up to 12 months payment plan with 0 to 3 months interest free. Guess what, guys? With 5 million naira initial deposit, you can be a proud owner of this beautiful estate. My name is Ese from LandScribe, and if you've enjoyed my video thus far, give me that thumbs up, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can get to know when I upload new and amazing opportunities just like this. And just to remind you that with the recent development and the construction of the Lekki-Epe Expressway, this is the best deal on your table right now. Don't check it out.